In automotive manufacturing, a sudden stop on the assembly line carries an immediate high price. Every idle minute pulls thousands from the bottom line. Managing this tension is daily life at FIAT India Automobiles Private Limited, or FIAPL. This joint venture between Tata Motors and Stellantis operates the sprawling Ranjangaon plant in Pune. Building a vehicle requires precise synchronization across the facility. Parts move through the assembly shop and the paint shop to painted body storage without bottlenecks. To maintain that flow, the plant relies on 18 distinct automated production lines running simultaneously. If one section slows down, the entire operation feels the drag. In high-speed manufacturing, the true danger is the inability to pinpoint exactly where a delay started before it ripples across the entire production ecosystem. We can measure that ecosystem's health using a metric called Overall Plant Effectiveness, or OPE. It tracks how much of a facility's manufacturing potential is actually being realized. Despite the scale of their infrastructure, FIAPL found their OPE trapped at 60%. The cause of this performance plateau is overwhelming data density. Machines generated 1,992 unique error codes, creating fragmented logs. The legacy system couldn't handle the volume, forcing information through a bottleneck to produce delayed tables with no real insight. This left the production teams in a cycle of reactive firefighting. They had to wait for machine stoppages to occur, then rely on external vendors to decipher the system logs to find the cause. FIAPL was navigating a data processing crisis that obscured their own floor-level inefficiencies. To break that bottleneck, they brought in Itanta Analytics to construct a high-velocity, unified data pipeline directly into the factory's nervous system. Extraction was the first hurdle. Pulling clean data required connecting directly to the programmable logic controllers across all 18 production lines simultaneously. They achieved this by installing an OPC UA connector, which interfaced directly with the Kepware server to establish a direct hardware line. The volume of this new pipeline was extensive. The system began capturing over 40 critical data tags from the machinery every single second. By establishing this high-frequency data stream, FIAPL shifted their relationship with their machines from delayed observation to real-time awareness. Raw data streaming at 40 tags per second requires a powerful engine to instantly calculate its precise meaning. This visual represents the advanced formula builder deployed to parse those 1,992 error codes into categories like duration and loss type. Performing real-time analytics, it identified the exact root cause for any machine delay the moment it occurred. Itanta provided a no-code environment, which removed the need for traditional programming. This allowed the plant's own engineers to build and adjust their custom formulas on the fly. This powerful analytical engine translated a chaotic data stream into a mathematically sound roadmap for immediate corrective action. With the data categorized, the static tables were replaced with over 1,000 customizable dashboards equipped with deep filtering capabilities. This UI flow shows multi-dimensional tracking. Engineers start at a shop-wise summary, drill down to a specific line, and isolate a single station's delay. They deployed a proactive mobile alert system. If a station registers time loss, it instantly notifies floor teams, preventing major disasters. This triggered a shift in daily operations. FIAPL's internal teams were now fully trained to handle their own analytics, achieving independence from outside vendors. Operational excellence is achieved by empowering the factory floor to act independently when a problem arises. The result of this data overhaul was a 10% jump in overall plant effectiveness, lifting performance from 60% to 70%. In an industry where downtime costs thousands per minute, that 10% gain translates into substantial productivity and revenue growth. FIAPL CIO, Sitej Ravankar, noted that this no-code integration drove substantial financial savings within just 1 year of deployment. By taking control of their 1,992 error codes, FIAPL evolved from a fragmented operation reacting to breakdowns into a proactive manufacturer that orchestrates its production. To transform your complex manufacturing data into actionable, real-time insights, visit itanta.ai to book a demo and start optimizing your operations today.